Good morning. It's Lexi and Snoof. Hi, buddy. Get down. There's old Harley. He's going to be 14 on St. Patty's Day. Looks pretty good. Snoof. Sexy Lexi. Snoopy. Hi, buddy. How you doing, buddy? Sure. Hey, Snoof, where's your bird? Go get your bird. Where's the bird? Oh, where's the bird? Is there a bird out here? Where's your bird? Where is he? He's up there. Oh! Scared the hell out of me. Got a little bird's nest up there. Where's the bird? Where's the bird, Harley? They must have took off. Where's the bird? All right, that's it. Bird video.